A special warning, Doha pod is no swimming. No swimming. If you're a fan of swimming, Doha pod is not a place for you. Hello my people, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Today I'm at Doha pod again. Today I came during the time to check on cyskic. It's the one I wanted to try today. I'm not a fan of water. I'm phobic to water, but I wanted to try cyskic and see. But unfortunately, I found when the company which was operating, they no longer operate. I don't know what happened, but I heard that very soon they are going to resume their service. So I'm hoping to come back for the try again. So what you see are the people who are coming every day during weekends, move around, enjoying. This side, it is for the private people who own cyskic. Who own cyskic. When you look at here, there are very many people. They have come also to watch. I don't know whether they had come to pay for a ride, so I did not ask. So, but some I saw some they were boarding. Maybe they had paid, or some it is private. They are the one operating those boats. So life is moving on well here. Life is moving on like the way how some people wanted. Only that few are just looking, but others are enjoying this, and it's very good. That's what I wanted to try today, but I did not find the cyskic. They heard that the company stopped operation, but very soon they resume their operations. All these people you're seeing here, they are just watching people, private cyskic. People who own cyskic here in Qatar, this is their private wing. If you want to go see, just come, park this side, remove your boat. And you see how now they are parking, they are from enjoying life. So this side where these are the private also. This one you can also rent them. But this one they are very good if you're like a family, 2 to 3 people, couple. This one are there for you. Even one you can rent as your like one person. You can also rent. Yeah, this is the view. You can look at the view, how it looks like.
Those who trespass against us, lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.